Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term TOTM. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, TOTM is slang for top of the month, often indicating the start of new events or deals. People use it when talking about fresh opportunities or updates that happen at the beginning of a month. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. TOTM first showed up in the 2010s online, in forums and social media communities. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among shoppers and gamers. Now let's check out how to use TOTM in a sentence. Correct example 1. I always check the store on TOTM to catch the best discounts and new arrivals. Correct example 2. I got my paycheck just in time for TOTM hype. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said TOTM at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using TOTM right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. TOTM means slang for top of the month, often indicating the start of new events or deals. It started in the 2010s online, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with Top in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.